gameplay is an application of artificial intelligence. It simulates human players in board games. This artificial intelligence makes computers capable to play games. In adversarial gameplay, each players play alternately to make decision regarding next move. And of course, in adversarial games, we can believe that each players play optimal moves. They have conflicting goals also. In zero-sum game, the total utility or score of the game is divided among players. An increase in one player's score leads to decrease in other player's score. One player is trying to maximize the score while the opponent tries to minimize the score. Min-max is a decision-making algorithm used in two-player games. Goal is to find optimal next move. Here two players are here, one is max player and another one is min player. Min selects the minimum value of the children and max player selects the maximum value of the children. For identifying the best next move, it has to traverse till some depth or till the leaf node and it has to back up the values to make the decision. A max player selects move with the maximum score. We can explain the working of min-max algorithm by solving this problem. Here the question is to determine the value returned by min-max algorithm. For each player, the min-max algorithm gives the best value possible. Here we have to apply min-max algorithm at this root node, which is a max node. Here rectangle represent max node and circle represent min node. In order to make decision at each level, it has to traverse till this depth until it sees the utility values. Now, to make some decision, it can either traverse till the leaf node, or if the search space is large, then traversing till leaf node is difficult. So, we can traverse till some depth. That means in some situations, we can go with n-ply games. Ply means depth. N-ply means to make decision, we have to traverse up to depth n. Now, we have to find the value returned by min-max algorithm for this player max node. So, we have to traverse from here to leaf node and now this is a min node. What min node selects? Min node selects the minimum value of the children. That means it selects 2. And here the values are 1, 2 and 1. It selects 1. Here the values are 5, 6 and it selects 5. Here only one child and the value of this min node is 7. And here we have 3 children, values are 1, 7, 4 and min node selects 1. Now this is a max node and it has two values 2 and 1. The min-max algorithm here selects what the max node selects 2. Here only one value and it selects 5. Here we are having two children, one is 7 and one is 1. The utility of going through this path is 7 and going to this path is 1. This max node select maximum value, that is we got 7 here. Now this is a min node and it has only one path or one value. So this one is 2. Here this min node has two ways to traverse. If it travels through this path, the cost is 5 and it travels through this path, the cost is 7. So this min node selects 5. Now this is a max node and max node has two possibilities to traverse. One to go in this direction and another one to go this direction. If this min node travels in this direction, it gets a cost 2 and if it go in this direction, it gets a cost 5. So this max node selects 5. So in this case, for this particular node, value returned by min-max algorithm is 5. A complete game tree is given here. The next player is Max. The leaves are labeled with respect to this Max player. W stands for win, L stands for lose, and D stands for draw. This leaf node W means that if this Max node selects this path, it's a win for this Max player. If it selects this path, then this path leads to draw for this current Max player. What is the outcome of the game when both the players play perfectly? We have to find the best move by applying min-max algorithm. In order to find the best move, the max node traverses till here, and now this is a min node, and this min node selects minimum of these children. Min node always tries to minimize the performance of max player. So at this position, max player has a chance of win, and here it's a chance of loss. That means the min player select loss. Here two possibilities are here, W, win and draw. Min player select draw. Both ways leads to win. That means the min player select W. Here W and loss. Min player select loss. Here L and D, the min player select loss. Here W and D, min player select draw. Here L and D, min player select L. Why this min player always selects the minimum from the children? Min player is trying to minimize the performance of max player. We have labeled this max leaf nodes according with this max player. This W means if the max node goes this path, it's a win path. So our opponent always tries to take the path which leads to our max player loss. Now here it's a max node. Max node always selects the best node. Here the two paths are here, one in this direction and one in this direction. If this max player select this move, it will leads to loss. If it selects this path, it's a win path for max. So obviously this max player select win path. Now here it has two possibilities, one by going through this path, another by this turn. This max player select win. Here this W. Here at this point max player can go either this path or this path. Both path gives loss for this max player. So this select loss. Here max player has two possibilities, one this way and one this way. If it go this way, it's a drop path, and this one is a loss path. So max player will select draw. Now this is a min player. Min always tries to minimize the performance of max player. At this position, max player has two possibilities like the win and win. So this minimum node select the minimum path value, that is W, and here minimum select loss, and this node select draw. Now this max player has three turns, one by A, one through B, or one through C. If it goes through this, if it selects turn A, this is a win path. If it selects this turn B, it's a loss path. If it selects this turn C, it's a draw path. So which among these three values, W, L and D, this max player select W. So the outcome of the game when both players play perfectly is, so the outcome of the play when both players play perfectly is, here this max node select W. That means Max wins the game. Now the next question is, what move should this Max player select? This Max player has three moves. One by going through A, another by going through B, another by C. If it goes through A, it's a win path. If it goes through B, it's a loss path. If it goes through C, it's a draw path. So this Max player should select move through A. It selects the turn labeled A. The another question is, in the game tree below, if the player at root, which is a max player, select the move labeled B, what happens to the game? If max player selects a path labeled B, it's a loss path. That means the max loses the game, and in turn, who wins? Min player wins the game. Now, in the game tree below, if the player at the root, which is a max node, select the move labeled C, what will be the outcome? Here this max node has three possibilities, three turns it can make at this current position, one by A, one through by B, and one is C. If it's the turn labeled C, the path leads to draw. That means the game becomes draw.